Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Jenille with StickerMama and today I'll be planning in the LAUREL DENISE Horizontal Planner. This will be my second month and I'll be using this kit 3028 that is found in my sticker shop. Everything will be linked below. So this is our monthly kit along with a header to do this month, which is for the far right side. You have some planner words, some full boxes, some washi strips to go down at the bottom of the pages that'll also match the next sheet here, which are headers. So these will go across the top where it'll have agenda, to do today, and then this week. You can also get these without words. And then you'll have all of the washi strips for the bottom of all the short pages and a bunch of dots. Next up are the day and dates. So you can plan the short pages any way you would like. I'm going to do a Sunday start on my calendar page, but on the weeklies, I'm doing a Monday start. So with this sheet, you're allowed to do that. I have some flags, the habit tracker header for the back short page. And then on there is also the Monday through Friday dots to do the right side of the page because those will need to be redone to match as well. Then this last sheet are planner boxes. So they're going to be able to be used on the monthly page as well as all the short pages. And then last is this deco sheet. And this month I'm doing it on a transparent sticker paper. So we'll see how that goes. All right, let me go ahead and get all of this organized. I'm going to go ahead and bend or fold back the planner book here. And I'm going to go ahead and start peeling off the header for the month of April. I don't know if I mentioned, but this header, all of the headers for LAUREL DENISE are going to be available in a Monday or a Sunday start for those that like the Monday start on the monthly calendar. So this long washi strip is going to go along the bottom here of the monthly page. Get that all the way here. And I think I'm going to take these little boxes and they fit exactly perfect in the calendar boxes for the horizontal full-size planner. So they're nice to cover up the page, the days of the month that are either the month prior or the month before. I don't necessarily need those dates in my planner. And now I'm going to continue to do the dates on the page here. I do bend these down just a tad bit so it makes it super easy, or easier, maybe not super, but it makes it easier. They pop up a little bit so it's much easier to grab most of the time here with my tweezers. All right, we'll just speed this up some so we're not taking up too much time of watching the tedious task of covering up all these dates. But I do love it that when it's all done, it does take a minute, but it does make the monthly page just come together so well. All right, I'm adding on the rest of the full boxes down on the bottom. I am skipping. There's a few that are solid colors and there's some with prints. So I'm kind of doing an every other on the bottom page here. So I can add some deco to that, to those boxes to just, add some decoration and color. All right, which ones do I want to do? So I'm going to go ahead and take some of those off and add them on like that. And again, these are the translucent clear stickers. These guys do not move once they're down or if you do try to move them, they will possibly tear. But I do like that they go right over anything, including these boxes, and you see the whole sticker, not like the little white offset. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put down now the agenda headers. So we have one for each of the short pages. Let's see, what am I thinking I'm going to do? Oh, I'm going to do the bottom washi strips. So on that same page with the headers, you're going to have washi strips for each of these short pages. So I'm going to just go ahead and now grab to the to do today and this week header, and I'm going to place that down along with the additional washi strips. Okay, again, just going to speed it up a little bit as I add on the rest of these headers and bottom washi strips. So like I mentioned, this is my second month in this planner. The first month went very well. I'm still working out, remembering to do all my habits in the back, and this back dashboard, still trying to figure that out. I have one section that I did not use, but I did use one for different things that need to be done for the month, broken into a couple different categories on the far right, and then the left side of the back page, I did all my menu planning for dinners. And so there's just that little slip in between those two items that I think this month I'm going to do social media, and there's things I need to track like followers and those types of things, and then also dates of when things are released, affiliate dates, I guess I should say, for when things are released, dates that release certain items for us to post. So I'm going to try to use that back page for that. All right, let me just check. I was trying to remember this because I really like how March was set up, so I had to peek back really quick. But this washi right here goes right to the inside of the edge of this tracker to do this month. So I'm redoing that really quick. That way it's nice and square. So I do like that. All right, and then we have the other bottom part of the washi. Oh, I think I'm going to flip that around. So now all the bottom washi pieces are in. I have one little section right here to the right, the bottom right, and I'm going to add that here in a second. Now I'm actually going to I'm going to do that first and add the rest after that. Okay. All right, that looks good. And now, there you go. Okay, now I'm going to speed it up again, and I'm going to go ahead and continue with the days and dates. So I'm putting all the days of the week, or dates into these day boxes, and then putting them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep continuing along. What is nice with the Laurel Denise planner and the way I'm planning, or pretty much because the way it's set up, you do 1 month at a time because everything is matching all the kit, and then you're done for the whole month as far as setting it up. So that makes it super nice that it's not going to be something that needs to be done every week. You do it for the whole month and then you're good to go. So I like that a lot. Okay, finish up here. Got all those. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get some deco and just continue on here with some decorating some of the short pages and whatnot with some deco. All right, so we have finishing up here with some deco. And the only thing left I need to finish is the backside of the dashboard. But we have the month all set up, all of the short pages. Each one here is all finished. All right, quick flip through, and thank you so much for watching.